Welcome back to Thunderwheel, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the Volkswagen Beetle. But we're not just talking about its classic charm, we're focusing on a vital component that defines its smooth ride: the Volkswagen Beetle shocks. Shocks, or shock absorbers, are essential parts of a vehicle's suspension system. Their main job is to absorb and dampen the impact from bumps and uneven roads, giving you a more comfortable and controlled driving experience. In the Beetle, they play a big role in maintaining its legendary stability and ride comfort, especially for such a compact car. The Volkswagen Beetle first came into existence in 1938 in Germany, designed by Ferdinand Porsche under the directive of Adolf Hitler to create a people's car, a reliable and affordable vehicle for the masses. Since then, it has become a symbol of automotive culture across the globe. Over the decades, the Beetle has evolved, but its focus on a solid driving experience has never wavered. When it comes to global usage, the Volkswagen Beetle has seen massive popularity in countries like the United States, Mexico, Germany, and Brazil. In fact, it remained in production in Mexico until 2003, long after production had ceased in most other countries. Mexico was not just a big user, but also a major manufacturing hub for the Beetle for many years. The Beetle's popularity soared in the 1960s and 70s, thanks to its quirky design, reliability, and affordability. It became more than just a car, it became a cultural icon. Whether you saw it in movies like Herbie or cruising down coastal roads, the Beetle captured the hearts of millions. And part of its enduring charm is its surprisingly robust performance for a small vehicle. In terms of performance, the Beetle isn't a speed demon, but it offers smooth handling and balanced driving, particularly because of its excellent suspension system. The shock absorbers are built to withstand regular driving stresses, offering both durability and comfort. Modern iterations of the Beetle feature gas-filled shocks that provide better handling and improved control at higher speeds. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the Beetle's strengths. Older models were known for getting excellent mileage, while newer versions with modern engines continue that legacy. It's not uncommon for a Beetle to achieve around 30 to 35 miles per gallon, depending on the model and driving conditions. The Beetle is capable of handling both city driving and long highway journeys with ease. Its compact size makes it perfect for urban areas, while its reliable suspension system, including those durable shocks, ensures comfort on longer rides. Key features often include a retro modern design, comfortable interiors, efficient engines, and dependable mechanics. As for pricing, the cost of a used Beetle can range widely, from a few $1,000s for older models to over $20,000 for newer, well-maintained ones. Replacement shocks, depending on brand and quality, typically range from $50 to $150 per piece. The real selling point of the Volkswagen Beetle lies in its unique combination of style, simplicity, and dependability. And with quality shocks that ensure a smooth and stable ride, it continues to be a beloved choice for classic car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Stay tuned to Thunderwheel for more deep dives into legendary vehicles.